Hey there, YouTube. So if you're like me and you have a RZR that didn't come with a hitch, you're probably wondering how you go about adding one. So depending on if you want an 1¼ hitch or a 2-inch receiver hitch, you'll use a different part number, but I'm going to use the factory 1¼ hitch. It's part number here, and I got this for 30 bucks on eBay used. It's in really good shape though. You're also going to need the 3 sets of nuts and bolts. The part number for the bolt is here, and the part number for the nut is here, and they are grade 5. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's grade 5. They're a 14mm socket. You're going to torque these bad boys down to 30 foot-pounds. Alright, simple enough. Set that on there. Bolts go down through the top. There's what the bottom looks like, if you're wondering. There's little cutouts in the frame for the bolts. Alrighty, and click it to 30 foot-pounds. Stubby wrenches, I love them. Get the back one here. Looked a little cockeyed. I got her. Now get the wrench out. And with that, I have a 1¼ hitch. As long as whatever I'm towing is less than 1,500 pounds and less than 150 pounds tongue weight. I think I see why people get the 2-inch receiver now. A little bit of flex there. Other hitches bolt onto these holes here, the 2-inch ones, but I didn't want to limit access to my rear diff fill here. I'm not going to be towing heavy things, but if you are, maybe consider the 2-inch receiver. Okay, so it's the next day, and I'm just going to get some measurements for everyone. This circular frame here, yeah, it's about 3 inches from that. It's a little under 3 inches from that, if you're worried about how far this sticks out. The top of the receiver is at roughly 14. So the bottom of the receiver is at roughly 12.5. And it does get right up close to the rear diff. The hitch is 6 inches wide. That's like from the chain loops to the other side of the chain loops. And the entire thing is 5.5 inches deep. I do have 27-inch tires on this, so the height measurement may be a little off. Alright, time to tow. I'm mostly going to use this to move trailers around the yard so I can mow, but pulls this empty 11 by 7 Actually, it's 11.5 by 7 trailer just fine. It only cost me 40 bucks. Not too bad.